Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily edit photos on Picsart using the templates feature. So after you open the Picsart app, you can just click on the plus button, and this is the create page. If you want to use templates on Picsart, you can just click on the templates tab at the top, and in here there are lots of templates that you can select it to edit your photos. So for example, in here I'm going to use one of the templates. Okay, for example this one. So click on the templates that you want to use and it will be opened, and here I'm going to change the photo with my own photo. So just click on the photo and tap on replace at the bottom, then just select your photo. So click on this plus, then choose your photo. For example, this one's right here, just like that. If you want to change the text, you can just do so by double click on the text. For example, I'm going to just write this, and if you want to delete something, just click on the elements that you want to delete and then click on this cross icon at the top left corner. And if you want to save it, just click on the arrow down, then it will be saved to your gallery. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.